this is the landing page for Connect, and this is just the landing page for Connect. So you can like something together. It's supposed to be like for collaboration where you can meet new techies. Um, so you can click on the Get Started here, or you click on this Get Started. And if you click on this, it will take you back to the landing page. You click on this icon. So I click on the Get Started, and then you can sign up or you can log in. Just have an additional link here for sign up and login. So I'll come back to create an account, or let me just walk you through the process of creating an account. So I'll go to sign up. I'm going to create demo account. Um, So this is a profile setup page. Because we decide not to ask for too many information, you can choose to skip this page, or you can choose to fill in this page. So I would want to show you what happens when you skip the page. If you do not provide a username, because username is supposed to be unique, it's just going to generate a username for you. Then you can later upload the bio. So I'll click on skip, and at the top right here, I have a generated username based on my first name, my surname and the first name, and also by a unique ID. So these are like other users that I have created to upload a post, and I can like on the post and also add a comment. Well, I haven't uploaded the profile, so I will show you like one that has the comments. So this is how the comments look like, and then I can also add comments. So I can see a second ago, this was done 25 minutes ago, 5:24, this was done 28 minutes ago. And then we have a feature that takes we implemented the fetching of posts based on pagination. So the more you scroll down, the more it fetches posts. Although there are not too many posts, so it's just going to say no more posts to fetch. But if I keep because I scroll out of pagination, I have to refresh the page before I see the post. But if I don't scroll out of pagination, I can create the posts and I'll have it at the top or somewhere below it. When I scroll, it fetches that particular post and then it fetches the post. So if I have a lot of posts, the more I scroll down, the more it fetches posts. So, and before I show you, like you can also sign up. Log into another account and put something, not this one. Okay, that's something more. Then there's a feature to remember me. If you choose to remember me, your section will be active even if you close the application and then come back. But if you don't toggle the remember me, you would be logged out sooner. So with this user here, I have I have uploaded an image. There you can see if there is a post that I have liked, it's going to show, but I don't think there's any. So I'm just going to like, and then you see it increases to 3. I can check the most recent one. I think there was a comment here by Marvellous, the other user. So so I would allow Deborah to show you some other part of the application. Then I show you how you can upload an image and what I try to integrate into like our backend.
Okay. Oof, thank you so much, Marvellous. This thing that you just explained in 1 minute was headache to create. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the process of actually. So my alarm is ready. Okay, so let's imagine that Ring just signed up. My Ring just signed up and logged in to Tech Connect. Now we want to set up an account for her, and we're able to, deploy the full prod, implementation, creating, updating, deleting and all of that. So let's create a profile for Ring. Ring, I wanted to use your picture, but I'm just going to use this one for now. Let's assume that this is Ring, and this is like the banner, and I'm just going to use the same picture as the profile picture. So we want to. The idea for this app is so you can get to know people. know their specializations, and you can connect with them the way that you want to connect with them. So I would say that Rim is full stack. I'm just going to write full stack here. Okay, full stack developer. I'm just going to choose this one. So you see that after you signed up, it still read your name and your last name. So let's just update Rim's profile, and yay, this is Rim's profile. And if you want to edit something, you want to change her pictures, if you click on edit profile, you see that her information is still here. You can choose to add something else like React and update, and you see that this is her specialization, and this is her stack, the stack that she uses. And this will help when I get to show us how you view all techies. You see that we just created an account for Rim, and then it reflects immediately. So you can view all techies, like, I'm looking for someone to partner with, and then I'm like, oh, JavaScript, React, no, machine learning, oh, okay, I'm trusted. Oh, Fred, oh wow, okay, cool. And then I click on him and then get partner with him. Oh, Julian is here, amazing. Let me see what he's like. Nah, really, nah. All of that. So this is Rim. Let's come back to Rim. So I want to say some things about Rim. I am going to be taking the liberty of telling you guys about Rim. So I'll say I am a powerful woman. Please guys stay with me. I hope my screen is not too tiny. I hope you can see it. So when we submit this, I am a powerful woman is here automatically. But Rim is more than just a powerful woman, so you can add more info. And this is one of the ways that showcases what the Tech Connect app really is, because it's not just like LinkedIn where you have this very serious boss face and then everybody just saying, oh, developer. We want to know you, really know you. So your favorite language off the top of your head, you can say anything. I'm going to say, what do I say for Rim? I'll say React.js, because she killed it with her React. Front end or back end, I'm going to choose both for Rim. Early night or early bed or night owl. Rim is definitely an early bird. Like, Rim is the early bird that other early birds want to be like. So yeah, I'm choosing early bird for Rim. And her top 5 fun activities. I just want you guys to see like all the working process. Sorry if this is taking too much time. I think Rim would like to swim. I think Rim likes reading. I think Rim likes movies. I don't think she likes karaoke. I would say bird watching. Photography. I'm not sure. But I'm going to choose 5. You can only choose 5 top activities, and if you choose more than 5, you would see that it doesn't do anything. There is something I should have done. When I was discussing and sharing this with my friend Mohammed, and I should have put some kind of notification like, oh, you can only choose 5, so please, I'm going to work on that. I'm only human. Sometimes I make mistakes. Right. So if I wasn't a techie, if Rim wasn't a techie, it should be a dentist. Yeah. And her favorite quote or joke or riddle. So the reason we added this feature is it can be a conversation starter. So let's say Rim decides to play around a riddle, like what and I could just send her a message answering this riddle, and we could just begin to chat or something. So your favorite person right now, I wanted to say Mo, but I'll just say Mo. Okay, that's Rim's favorite person right now. I'm looking at you. So if you come back here and view more, you see everything about Rim. So if I come to Rim's page, I will see that she's a powerful woman. Her favorite language is React.js. She's to choose between front end and back end. She will choose both. She's an early bird. She likes swimming. She likes to be a dentist. She's not, a techie. And this is an opening statement, so you can react to her based on that. So that's about. So you click on show less, and then you show less. All right. So we're going to create a new post, because that is what this is about. Like, what's up? We want it to be kind of cool. So yeah, what's up? So let's say Rim has. So we created this. The edge that this app is supposed to have over GitHub. Is, or let's say over maybe other apps, is the fact that we're going to have something called a project pool. And then what the project pool is you can just come here and view available projects, view on them, click on them, and choose to collaborate or something. So we'll just start by so in order to achieve that, but I hope I'm not speaking too fast. I'm sorry, guys. In order to achieve that, there are different kinds of posts you can make. You can make a regular post, you can make a project post. And for every post, you will have something different about it. So better than Twitter, sometimes when you come to someone's Twitter page, you have to scroll to see the post that they made in January and maybe a post they made about Socket.io or something. You have to scroll so much before you can find it. But with this, you can just filter like, oh, I'm looking for projects, and then you can just find it. So that's what we're trying to go for, or just looking for gist. So I'm going to say specialization projects for Rim. Let's say that's what she wants to post about. And she can say I'm building a robot, and stacks used. She can maybe say what stacks she's planning to use and how long this is going to last for. If it's specialization project, maybe 3 weeks, or you can choose any duration time. How far done you are. If you're open for collaboration. So if you're not open for collaboration, it just remains the same. You can choose to attach images. So let's say this is the closest to a robot like image I have. So you can upload maybe 2 pictures. and then it's here. If you are open for collaboration, the form changes. So you can say who you're looking to collaborate with, so that those who have these abilities can also offer that I'm needed. So you can say you're looking for front end devs or something. So yes, now we create this post for Ring, and sorry, her page is empty, so it doesn't look super pretty yet. but this is what it looks like. And now if you come to the project thing, you'll see that the project that Ring just created is here, and I can click on it and view it or interact with it. And let me just show you Elon Musk's page. So you see the things that he created and things he's working on. He's building a spaceship, and then he decided to post something about vacation time, and then announcements. So this is just a normal announcement post. If I need announcement post from Elon Musk, I could search. So taken over from Facebook. So yeah, basically that's about creating this post. Then I would like to show us something cool. Marvellous, can I go on? Go on. Can you hear me though?
Yeah, you can go on.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Oh yes, I can hear. Okay. Okay, so now that we have Ring here, let's say that Ring wants to join a community. She wants to create a community for it. Well, let's say she wants to check out community. So you can come here and view communities that are available. Oh, of course, Beam Army. Oh. So you can view the community and see what they're about. You can ask to join. So this is like a page for community. So those who have like my darling code busters, a very touch community, you can create your community here, and if people want to join, they can just view, see what you guys are about, your values, your activities. Okay, this is your mantra. Oh, okay, this is cool. So now I'm going to show you what happens when you join a community. So let's say I want to join this Game of Thrones community, and movie entertainment, share spoilers, and you see movies. Okay, I'm very interested. So I ask to join, and it says, hey William, you join, and then you join, and then you're here. And we're able to create a chat room community type of stuff. So let's say that, but it has to be with someone else who is in the community. So let's say that I have another account, and then this is Marvellous Egbe. She hasn't really said much, but she also wants to join the Game of Thrones community. So I'm going to do something. Sorry, let me open a new window. I'll do this here, and I'm going to do this here. Please, guys, I hope I'm not boring you guys. Okay, so Marvellous wants to join the Game of Thrones. The Ring is in as well, so yeah, he asked to join. Hey, Marvellous, you want to join? Yes, I want to join. Okay, so and then Ring is new here, and he's like, hello everyone. She sent the message, and then I see Marvellous is like, hey, Ring. I'm sorry, I played too much. So you can hit enter, and it's like, oh, Marvellous, hi, Mom. And then you can say, oh, you're here, bye, Marv. Sorry, Byron. But you guys get the point, so yeah, you can actually, oh, sorry, who is this? This is Marv. Yeah, so it's Byron. No, you remember this thing that happened? So Byron, and then we have this auto scroll. Say bye, Marv. So it just scrolls, you don't have to scroll up to find it, it just scrolls automatically. I'm almost done, guys. So this is the chat room. I'll tell you the problems we have about this later. So this is the chat feature that we created, and we used Socket.io, we used Express.js for this one. Now let's say we want to make a call. I think that's very cool. So I want to start a call. I might have to mute here so it works. And I want to, we want to have a PLD session with restricted group of people. Those of us in this community, want to have a call. So you guys don't have to use Google Meet every time. You can use Tech Connect. You know what I'm saying? All right. So you can click on join the call, and then can you see me though? Yeah. So yes. All right. So let's assume that I send this to someone else. Just going to see and here. Don't worry, we're still working on some things. You already know that some things are not all that perfect. So I do this, I come here, and no, I'm not supposed to do this, but I don't know if this is going to work. So let's see. This is going to work. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Make sure I'm mute. You can hear me. You're still on mute.
Yeah, I just unmuted now because it's echoing. It has this like continuous echoing stuff. So yeah, this call can take up to 12 people. So long as they have the link to the call, the community chooses to post it on their group. You guys can all join and have an amazing PLD. You know what I'm saying? And another feature I'd like to show us is that just like Twitter or Instagram or Facebook, you can actually go live. Like you can actually have your space. You can have your podcast. You can have your tech space, tech connect space. I don't know the word that we're going to call it right now. So if you create a meeting, the same way Zoom creates a meeting, this is the meeting ID. So I'm just picking up this quickly because I'm going to need to send it to my boss. All right, so you can join and all right. So yes, this is me joining as a host, and if I share this with let me see. Okay, so just don't do this. No. I want to join as a viewer right now. So let's be here. Oh, I haven't left this meeting. Sorry. So yeah. So you are choosing to go like here as well, and then you enter the. This is the meeting ID, and you choose to join as a viewer. No, not as a host. So there's something I need to do. There's something called HLS. That is HTTP live stream. Yeah, HLS has not started yet or stopped. So me as the host, I'm going to need to come here and start HLS. And once I start HLS, this person can probably view me if this works right now. So I'm going to just refresh. Alright, let's press this again and join as a viewer. I want you guys to see so when you start the HLS, you see that it's playable. That's the current state. My webcam's on, the mic's on. You can toggle all of this. You can turn off your webcam. You can turn it back on. Or all of that. You can leave, but I don't want to leave yet. I want to show you guys how this works. Yes, it's showing. You know how you're writing code and sometimes when you want to like it works. So this is me as a viewer. You know the way YouTube works, where there's definitely going to be a lag, and you can just join. You can just join. So this is me taking a fitness session. On whatever station, ALX, and then the viewers are viewing here. You can unmute your mic, but I don't want to do that. This is going to be an everlasting echo. So you can choose to, leave the stream if you are not feeling it anymore. So I'm going to just end from here.